All right, we've got a wobbly chair here, and we're gonna fix it up tight in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. What's going on with this chair?
This leg is super wiggly.
Can you sit on the chair? Let's see how wiggly this thing is. Now wiggle back and forth. Well, don't push back. All right, so, okay, freeze. All right, get up. Look at that wiggly chair. That's not how it's supposed to work. Look at that. So here's the one that works, or one that's good. So how do we fix this thing? Do you know? Can you come help? Show us what to do.
We need a hexagon,
What do you call a hexagon tool? You know what? Maybe we should push this back. Let me help you out here. All right. So what do we do?
There's a hexagon.
It's like a secret trap door.
There's a hexagon right there.
A what?
There's a hexagon right there. And
So two bolts.
And we need the right size to screw that in.
Wooden shit. Hey, don't go anywhere. Check this out. I have the tool right here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
How's it work?
So
which one fits in there?
You
think that one will fit?
Yeah.
Why don't you try it?
Fits.
Does it though?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, it fits.
That does not fit. It's way too big. So we got to go on to the next one. And we keep going till we find a match. Does this one fit?
No.
All right, we're gonna keep at it just a minute. Actually, you were right, buddy. Here. So go ahead, put it in there and tighten it up. Which way do we turn to tighten it?
This way.
Is that left or right? That's getting loose. We want that to go. There you go, keep going. You're doing great. Whoa, so easy, even a 5-year-old can do it. All right, we'll check back with you in here in just a minute. What'd you say?
That is really tight.
All right. Oh, is that left or right? Wait, are you done?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let Daddy check. Yep, that's pretty tight. Fold it 90 degrees. The tool, then you can have more leverage. All right, how's that? Whoa, wiggle that. Don't push on it, but just wiggle it.
Oh!
Nice work. So now what do we have to do? Are we finished?
Yeah.
No. What about this one, and this one? We have
Wiggly.
to check.
This one is woolly.
All right, mister, here you go. Take care of it.
Yep, that's it.
Lefty loosey. Nope. Yep. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I think that one's good.
Let's do both of them. Super tight. Is that tight? Is that tight?
900. I can't even move that.
Okay.
Yup, that is loose.
That's loose too. They all just get loose every once in a while after time, huh?
Bam! That is tight.
Bam, that is tight. All right.
Done.
Approved. How about this one? And to turn this, hey, stop. Let's turn this one on its side.
Okay.
Right here. So this one and this one, okay? And
This
under
one's
here,
This
that one's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, you can't.
All right, let's pick it up and put it on
The opposite.
the other side. Remember which one we're looking at. Which one are we looking at?
Maybe this guy.
I think it was this one, wasn't it?
No, that's the one where...
That's okay. They're both tight. But that's how you do it. There's 2 bolts on each of these. All right, let's bring it up.
Yep,
Are you ready?
that-
All right, let's give it the old shakedown.
Shaky.
Well, it looks like it's wiggly, but look, that
Sit in it.
is good.
sit in it.
Go ahead. Jump up or wiggle, shake.
What?
I don't know. Makes it move a little bit. That does not look wiggly. So we're going to call that problem solved. Boom. Nice work. Hey, nice work. Nice work.